Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start now, power on your watch and phone, and make sure both have Bluetooth and location enabled. These let devices discover each other. You should open the manufacturer app on the phone because pairing often requires an app handshake. This is why permissions matter. Once the app is ready, place the watch in pairing mode following its brief on-screen steps, and keep both devices close. Proximity reduces dropouts and speeds discovery. Now in the app, choose Add Device or Pair New Watch. The phone will scan for the watch. When a code appears on both screens, confirm they match. That step prevents wrong pairings. The app will then request permissions for notifications, contacts, and media. Grant what you want the watch to receive. Once paired, the app syncs settings, time, and health data. Make sure sync completes before closing the app so data transfers reliably. Finish by checking sync status in the app and testing notifications and calls. This confirms full functionality. If the connection drops, turn Bluetooth off and on, restart both devices, then attempt repairing. Many issues clear that way. If problems persist, unpair and factory reset the watch's network settings, then pair again. Do this only after backing up. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall the app if permitted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.